Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Crochet dresses, crochet handbags. The young one imagine pairing crochet dresses, crochet bags, buttons, or even recycled fabric strips. This mix of textures create unique crochet handbags, crochet dresses. The yarn imagine pairing crochet with wood, metal ring shell or beads. Some hanging include mirror, buttons or even recycled fabric strips. This mix of texture creates unique works of art. Bleeding mysteries crochet with modern or natural materials. A crochet wall, crochet bags, crochet dresses, fabric strips, crochet wall hanging wooden beads. Every added element turns a simple will hanging into a masterpiece of mixed creativity. Natural crochet wall hangings are timeless, scream embodied and soft, recreate a calming background for daily life. These pieces don't demand attention, they create harmony, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or meditation space. Natural hangings balance our space, natural hanging balance our space, natural hangings balance our room. They remind us that sometimes the quietest designs carry the deepest beauty. Sabotage brings soft yarns and delicate patterns make this wall whisper into every corner. Wall statement with color on the other and crochet bags, crochet dresses, glowing yellow and bold blacks woven into striking pattern. They can showcase zigzags or circle medley bursting with energy. These hanging are for people who love to live loudly and want their home or speak their patience. Every colorful crochet bag, crochet handbags. Crochet handbag. Every crochet handbags, crochet dresses will tell a story. Some reflect the journey of the marker, patient mistakes, and precedents. Others capture them and precedents. Other capture dams, a mountain range in stitches, and oceans where in fingers, sunshade in gradient ones. A well hanging can remind you of home, of childhood, of travel, of dream too. These art pieces can also mark moment. A handmade crochet handbag, crochet handbags, pumpkins, flexible slopes, ocean pumpkins for anthem, crochet handbags, crochet dresses. These art pieces can also mark moment. A hand crochet bag, crochet hair dresses, lifelong memory. A heart-shaped pattern in red yarn celebrates love. A baby rooms can have a soft crystals while hanging with stars or moons crocheted into fall for holidays. Crochet bags, crochet handbags, crochets performing and the crochet handbags. Very wise looking Savvy crochet was hanging lens a story. Some reflect and journey of the marker. Patience must take to